In a nation, you are a citizen. In an empire, you are a subject. You don't have a say. You cannot question what is done. But in a nation where you're a citizen, you have rights, you have privileges, you have opportunities. But along with those, you also have responsibility, you have obligations and the duties as a citizen. So in my first presentation here is to highlight the fact that in a nation where you have rights, privileges and opportunities, you also have responsibilities and duties and obligations. So there is a part for you to play as a citizen. As a citizen, in our constitution, it's very, very clear. Citizens have responsibilities, they have duties. Today we may not be able to go through all that, but it's so important to see that difference. And because we no longer have civic education in schools, majority of the people go through the educational system without ever understanding that, and educators, you agree with me, that